And one of the name of Allah is As-Salam, ang kapayapaan. So hindi pwede na isang Muslim na gawa ng terorismo dahil pangalan ng Diyos, As-Salam, ang kapayapaan. And yung our greeting ng mga Muslim, yung mga ibang tao may greeting, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, hi, hello. Greeting namin, anong greeting namin? Assalamualaikum. Peace be with you. Kapayapaan sa inyo lahat. So our religion is Islam, the As-Salam, the peace. The name of our God is As-Salam, the peace. Our greeting is Assalamu alaikum, the peace, kapayapaan. And if you follow the mission to bring the peace in the world by spreading the commandments of God, the word message of God, then you can go to paradise. And what is one of the name of paradise? The paraiso, marami pangalan. Isang pangalan na paraiso, Darussalam, lugar ng kapayapaan. Bahay ng kapayapaan. So na yung kung tayo Muslim gusto papunta sa paraiso, ano gagawin? Gagawin natin ng kapayapaan. Maraming scholars sabi nila na bawal Salamu alaikum sa mga Kristiyano. Walang bawal yan. I can debate with any scholar. Hindi bawal yan. All the Christians here, I can say Salamu alaikum. Peace be with you all. Because we are living with the peace with them. Because it's a misinterpretation. When the mga Hudyo papunta kay Prophet Muhammad SAW, ginawa nila ng insult ni Prophet Muhammad SAW. Sabi nila, Assalamu alaikum. The death upon you. Prophet cannot say, Walaikum salam. No, he cannot say this because meron siyang ugali na maganda. So he say, Walaikum. So kala nila bawal salam. No. I can show in the Quran, marami beses. Kapati si Prophet Ibrahim, yung father niya was idol worshipper. Prophet Ibrahim, call him Salamun Alaik in the Quran. How you can reject the Quran? Everywhere you go, any Christian brother, say Salamu Alaikum. Why Christians are brothers? Because Allah said in the Quran, Ya ayyun nasu, inna khalaqnakum min dhakari wa untha, wa ja'allakum shuruba wa qabaila li ta'arifu, inna akramakum indallahi atqakum. O mankind, we created you from one male and one female. Sino yung one male and one female? Adam and Hawa, the Eve. So all of us are sons and daughters of only one father, Adam. So all are the children of Adam. So we are kapatid tayo lahat. Muslim, Christian, kahit sino man sa mundo, American, Chinese, Japanese, lahat ng tao sa mundo magkapatid dahil isang tatay, isang nanay. So we can always spread the salam. Salamu alaikum. I go to anywhere, in any office, any place, I say Salamu alaikum. So people can ask, what is the meaning of Salamu alaikum? I can tell that's our greeting. That's bating namin na peace be with you. Kapayapaan sa inyo lahat. So that is a way of spreading the peace with the world. So imagine wherever you go, our name of our God is As-Salam, the peace, ang kapayapaan. The name of our religion is the peace, ang kapayapaan. Our greeting is Salamu alaikum, peace be with you, kapayapaan. And if you want to go to paradise, paraiso sa kabilang buhay, pangalan ng paraiso, Darussalam, lugar ng kapayapaan. The kingdom of kapayapaan, the peace. And you need the peace everywhere. Why people make suicide? Bakit marami tao na mag-suicide? Dahil no more peace in the heart. Walang kapayapaan sa puso. So, patay nila sarili nila dahil na walang kapayapaan sa puso. The most important thing we need is the peace of our hearts, the peace of our mind, peace in our houses, peace in our families, the peace in our communities, the peace in our cities, the peace in our countries, the peace in our world.